Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Also I want to welcome the students of 11th and 12th chemistry where the chapter is fundamental concepts in organic chemistry. It is also very helpful for 11th class and 12th class because it is the main foundation in chemistry. And now in part 6 I will explain here attacking reagents and their role, especially nucleophile. In part 5 I have explained the role of the electrophile or electrophilic reagent. In part 6 I will explain the role of nucleophile. Now organic reaction has 4 steps already I told. The organic molecule substrate and attacking reagent, intermediates, products and byproducts. Organic molecule reaction will proceed unless the attacking reagent will come to near organic molecule substrate. Now after attacking reagent when come to close to the organic molecule substrate, it gives intermediates that is very temporary factors, and here immediately intermediates gives products and byproducts. That means organic molecule when it is started for the reaction, first it will come in contact with the attacking reagent, then it produces intermediates, that is very first, and here intermediates give the products and byproduct. So these are 4 steps, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now reaction proceeds when attacks of reagent on substrate. When the reagent will come towards organic molecule, will attack towards the organic molecule, then only the reaction proceeds. Now here you know heterolysis I told already, it gives positive ion and negative ion. Then why? Because if there is a share of electron which gives covalent bond, then if A is more electronegative than B, then automatically the pair of electron comes, the sharing of electron comes towards A and it occupies negative charge. And now here there is a deficient of electron in B, that is why it occupies B plus. Similarly, if B is more electronegative than A, then what happens? B occupies negative charge having sharing of, that is pair of electron. Now this is heterolysis. Now example, one is main important example, carbonium ion, and next is carbanium ion. Now here see carbonium ion which is positive charge on carbon. Now see RCS2, C occupies positive charge and that is carbonium ion. Similarly, C occupies negative charge with lone pair or a pair of electron sharing electron, then it is carbanion. That means here this C is less electronegative than other part, and here the C is more electronegative than other part. So there are 2 types of reagents, and one is electrophilic reagent, electrophile, which I have explained in the part 5, and next one is nucleophilic reagent or nucleophile. See what is nucleophile? Question is nucleophile. Phile mean loving, nucleo mean nucleus, nucleus loving. Nucleus loving, what is nucleus? Nucleus contains positive charge. So nucleus contain positive charge, nucleus loving, positive loving. Who will attract positive charge? That electronegative or having negative charge. The electrically negative charge having minus sign, that only attack nucleus. Who will attack nucleus? Attracted by nucleus or attack nucleus who? Where there is a negative charge or rich electron or negative charge having lone pair of electrons. Now see what is nucleophile? Electrically negative charge. It is electrically negative charge or electron rich substance where you feel that yes, it has more electron rich substance, here more electrons are present, or having unsaid electron pair, that means there is no minus sign, neutral molecule having unshared electron pair, and these are known as nucleophiles. So you will see the types of nucleophile and function of nucleophile, how it will work. And after this you can see here nucleophile. Now we will see what are the functions of nucleophile and types of nucleophile. What is nucleophile? You know very well. Now we will see the types of nucleophiles. Then now see what are the types of nucleophiles. First is negatively charged. Now you can see here negative charge is dominated. You can see chloride -1, bromide -1. Similarly, how can you explain chloride -1? Actually, in chlorine, outer shell contains 7 electrons. By accepting 1 electron, what happened? It occupies octet structure and minus sign. So, it indicates no share of electrons, only minus sign. Second one is that having negatively charged but with lone pair of electrons. Now see, OH, hydroxide ion, having a pair of electrons. Similarly, Cn minus having a pair of electrons, that is cyanide ion. And now it is carbanion ion, where carbon having a pair of electron, sharing electron, and that one having minus sign. This is negative charge and also one pair of electron. And third one, neutral molecule, where there is no negative sign, but here 3 electrons, electron pair to donate. That means it is visible. Now nitrogen, here one pair of electron, everywhere nitrogen, because nitrogen outer shell 5 and 3 are used and remaining one pair of electron here. Similarly, nitrogen RNS2 amine, water having oxygen having one pair of electron, and now oxygen in alcohol also 2 pair of electron, and here ether also oxygen having 2 pair of electrons. That means here electron pair of electron is available to donate to other. That means here you can see one is negative charge, second one is negative charge having pair of electron, and third one neutral molecules with free electron pair that can be donated easily. Now what are the function, how the nucleophile come to the substrate molecule, which type of substrate molecule will attack by nucleophile? A pair of electrons, or you can say having negative sign in that indirectly it has having pair of electron to donate, either negative charge or negative charge with pair of electron, or neutral molecule having pair of electron. All type of nucleophiles having a pair of electron that can be donated to the substrate easily. Then what is the nature of the substrate? The substrate has deficient in 2 electron, then only it accepts electrons from nucleophile to form a new bond. That means substrate has deficient of 2 electrons to accept electrons, pair of electrons from the nucleophile, and after that it can form a new bond. Now see, this is called carbonium ion having positive sign, that means deficient of 2 electron here, and nucleophile that is having minus sign and pair of electron is there. That means it can donate to this substrate, that is carbonium ion, which is having shortage of electron, or you can deficient of electron. So easily the electrons can move from nucleophile to substrate, that is example carbonium ion. So the indication also you can see the electron moves from here to here, the tails here, that means it starts from here and come to end here this carbon. That means here it forms a bond having a pair of electron bond, or you can do notated, you can see explained by the formation of a new bond. Now here carbonium ion, and this is nucleophile, that is neutral nucleophile where there is no charge, just like NH3 like this. And here also you can see the pair of electrons moves from nucleophile to carbonium ion, then only it gives pair of electron in middle, and Nu, since electrons move from nucleophile and then having positive charge, or you can shown by the one type of new bond having Nu plus. Now the nucleophile attacks an electrophilic center. What is the conclusion from the nucleophile and electrophile? Nucleophile, that means having pair of electron extra, then excess, or you can say minus sign, it also indicates it attacks an electrophilic center. What is electrophilic center? Positive sign. Similarly, electrophile, that is E plus, will attack on nucleophilic center. What is nucleophilic center? That should be negative sign. That means here you can observe the carbonium ion also act as your substrate where nucleophile donate electron. So electrophile will attack electron or at the nucleophilic center of the substrate. Similarly, nucleophile also attacks an electrophilic center of the substrate, and after that intermediate will produce, and after that byproducts and products will be produced. I hope electrophile and nucleophile, especially in this part nucleophile I explain, I hope it is clear to you, and hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and also please like and share my channel. Thanks.